Next up in our squat progression is squatting all the way down to a chair. Now the chair is a nice target. I really prefer the chair because I find it helps correct a lot of faulty squat form, giving yourself a bit of a target. And it's also nice because you're going to be ending at roughly around 90 degrees of knee bend, which is squatting through moderate depth, which is very functional for getting up and down from a chair. So this exercise, what we're going to be emphasizing is sticking that butt back, that hip hinge that we reviewed. Okay, so we really want to make sure the butt goes back, the nose goes over the toes. This is going to promote a nice squat position. And then we're going to be going down to the chair, tap it, and then stand back up. So to perform this, you can either cross your arms out will give you a little bit more stability. So if you're dealing with some balance issues, you can start here and then progress to crossing the arms as your stability allows you to. So butt goes back, get my nose over the toes, touch the chair, standing back up. Throughout the whole motion, I want to also make sure I monitor my knees and make sure my knees are not caving in when I stand or sit. That's a loss of stability of these hip abductor muscle groups. So I want to keep my knee right over my second toe. So you can look down just to see what the knees are doing. And that's going to prevent excessive pressure on the inside parts of the knees. A lot of people will report some pain in here, and it's usually due to that, what we call valgus collapse. So get these glutes activated, make sure the knees stay in line with the second toe, and that's going to take a lot of pressure off of that medial compartment here in the knee, which often bothers people. So nice, slow and controlled descent. So about a 4-second 1, 2, 3, 4 second down, 2 second up is a good tempo to follow.